Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off vacation reply Gmail iPhone. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to turn off vacation reply Gmail iPhone. First, we're going to start by opening up your Gmail. So once you open up your Gmail, you're going to get on this main screen right here. Look on the upper left-hand corner where you're going to see like the 3 line. That's like the menu right there. As you guys can see there where they say like search mail, but on your left upper corner. Okay, click on that. As you guys can see right there, I'm typing on that. I'm selecting it. Then you're going to give me on this page right here. Once you get this like page right here, make sure that you scroll down a little bit until you see settings. As you guys can see settings, I'm clicking on settings right there. Make sure that you tap on settings. Then you're gonna get you on this screen right here. So right here, it depends if you have like more than 3 or 5 accounts. It's showing my account right there because I have like more than 1 account. So tap on the account that you want to turn off the vacation reply. So tap on your account right there. Then once you're on this screen right here, look on the vacation responder. Tap on that. Then on your left upper hand corner, you know where you see like there's a green light, like there's a blue light right there, on blue light and the white circle. Make sure that you tap on that. When you tap it like that, and that's how you turn off vacation reply Gmail on your iPhone. If you have like any other question, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find it in my video description. And I highly encourage for you guys to check it out. As I said earlier, it'll be a way for you guys to save some money. And thank you for watching.